Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will going to identify or determine the degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of the given polynomial function. We have f of x equals 7x plus 5x squared minus 3. So kung napapansin ninyo, hindi siya naka-standard form. Okay, so paano natin kukunin yung degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, at constant term ng hindi naka-standard form? Okay, so degree, so sabi natin, ito yung pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin sa function, which is ang pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin ay 2. Therefore, the degree is 2. And ang leading term, ito yung may pinakamataas na exponent. Yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent, which is the term is 5x squared. And then the leading coefficient, ito yung coefficient ng pinakamataas na exponent na term, which is 5. And then constant is ito yung walang kasamang variable, which is negative 3.